What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I want to come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. Hey, today I got a very special video for y'all today. Okay, so today I'm gonna be basically telling y'all. So today I'm gonna be giving y'all the backstory on my dreadlocks. A lot of people ask me the process. A lot of people ask me the haircuts. A lot of people ask me how did I start my dreadlocks. A lot of people ask me how long I've been growing my dreadlocks. How many dreadlocks do you have? So we're gonna be answering basically the journey-based type questions all this video. So make sure y'all stay tuned, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and comment any other questions y'all got below. So my first question is, how did I start out my dreadlocks? All right, so cool, right? I started out with some beeswax. And so listen, I just want you to listen through the whole thing. Don't hold down, beeswax, I know, okay? So listen. So I don't know how old I was. I'm not gonna say my specific age, but I'm gonna say I was just starting out at high school type shit. Around that time, I was starting off my locks journey, and I got it cut around like 10th grade. So I restarted around like 11th grade. You know what I'm saying? So it's been a wild journey. It's been a crazy journey through having these locks. But overall, man, I just feel I feel empowered with them. I feel I definitely feel like some type of other energies, like when I'm in public, and it's just like people just look at you like in a certain way when you got long hair, especially if, don't let me have on a turban. Look, bro, I stopped. Look, listen. I wore a turban twice in public. I said never again. The last time I wore a turban in public, bro, I was going to Kroger, bro. I'm going to Kroger to go grocery shopping. I walk in there with the turban on. I walk in there with the Vonacure collection. Shout out to Vonacure collection, right? I walk in there with that on, right? The turban, the scarf. Tell me why. I look to my left, it's a police officer. Like, as soon as I hop out the car, a police officer car coming up. I said, damn, they secure, whatever, whoop the whoop. Man, I look to the right. I look straight first. I look straight. It's a goddamn security guard coming out of Kroger. I'm like, damn, what's going on? Man, these folk done thought I had a bomb in it, bitch. I swear to God, I'm already knowing. They thought I was Allah Akbar. I'm already knowing. So that's one of the downsides of having long hair. It's like certain things you do, you gotta watch for certain things you do. But I'm black, so I've been watching the certain things I do. So, and if you black, you understand what I'm saying. But not to go off on like a crazy long story rant, but yeah, man, that's why I keep it simple. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna come out with a turban at first, but I started going through things in my life, and it didn't fit my lifestyle. You get what I'm saying? It didn't fit the Up Next lifestyle. I feel like the Up Next multi-purpose beanie is perfect for the Up Next lifestyle, just because of the simple fact of it's very convenient. It's very convenient anytime, anything that you're doing, whether it's from sports, showering, from lounging around to just scrolling on social media, like anything you want to do. First link in the description. Make sure y'all go cop y'all. Okay, so that's the first one where he asked me, yo, like, how did I start my dreadlocks? So that's how I started my dreadlock journey. Another question that a lot of people ask me is, how many locks do I have? How many dreadlocks do I have? I'm gonna say around 80 to 100. I just recently uploaded the dreadlock counting video, so make sure you go watch that. I'm gonna say 80 to 100. I can't remember like right off the top of the dome, but definitely decreased over the years just because of the things that I've been through, and because sometimes I didn't know how to properly take care of my dreadlocks. That's why I make videos like this for y'all, and that's why I make videos and content for y'all, because I know when I first had dreadlocks, when I first had my locks, bro, I ain't know what to do. I ain't know what was going on. I was putting everything in my hair, and it hurt me, and it cost me down the line. It definitely cost me some bread, because I had to get some detoxes, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, this last recent detox was like one of the best detox I ever had in my life. And I went back to another loctician, and she put even more product into my locks. So now I still got some residue build up in my locks, but that's all cool. You get what I'm saying? Because all I gotta do is get a detox. But I want y'all to know, like, okay, when a person is messing up on your hair, or what things are off, and I want you to know what are you paying for when you pay for that. When you pay for like a certain amount of prices when you going to get your retwist. Say for instance, right, a retwist right now should cost you anywhere between $100 to $150. I could see maybe $200 depending on how bad your locks are. $200. But I'm gonna say between $100 and $150. That's like the sweet spot of your retwist or your maintenance. That should be your maintenance cost. If your retwist is costing $80, your parts might be freeform, my boy. You know what I'm saying? So just know what you getting yourself into. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of times I didn't know what I was getting myself into. Even before I locked my hair up, I used to put gel into my hair and use a little scrubby thing that they would put on top of the product, and I would just try to do that, and it would cause more dandruff and for my hair to become hard, but it would look decent. But I just want y'all to be in the know. You know what I'm saying? This is why I'm dropping all this shit. So yeah, man, make sure y'all not getting y'all a retwist each and every week, each and every 2 weeks, not even each and every month, man. Take you a good 2 to 3 months off, man. Like, just chill, you know what I'm saying? Just chill, bro. You ain't gotta look tight. Your hair ain't gotta look tight and fresh for every occasion, no cap, because you really not supposed to be doing that like too often. I hope you know that, right? Like, you really not supposed to like have that type of hairstyle too often. You're not supposed to have your retwist. Like, you're not supposed to get your hair retwisted too often. That's what I'm basically trying to tell you. So I don't give a fuck who telling you come every month, come every week. I don't give a fuck who telling you. I'm telling you right now. You're not supposed to come every week or 2 weeks. Take you 2 to 3 months off, bro. Nah, I ain't say take 5 or 6. Now you acting like me. But nah, take you 2 to 3 months. And get you a retwist, and what you're gonna find out is that your hair is gonna start becoming more fuller. Your locks are becoming more fuller, just more thicker. You get what I'm saying, in size, and they're gonna look better overall because they're not gonna look so skinny because you allowed your hair to grow, and you allowed your dreadlocks to either make frizz, to mat up, or because you gotta think, bro. All this is just like basically matted hair. You get what I'm saying? It's just the way our hair grows. You feel me? That's what makes it so fascinating to people, because they like, damn, your hair grows like that. Our hair can't grow because it naturally grows like this. You get what I'm saying? We put it in a hairstyle. We do our little magic. But nah, man. If y'all got any more questions for me down below, man, it's the content guide. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming back alive for y'all. So if y'all got any type of other contents that y'all want me to come out with, as far as like the hair videos and things of that nature, any public interviews, anything y'all want me to come out with, comment down below. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Make sure you follow all my social medias. First link in the description, upnextmalyt.com. Catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.